How to use a Debit Visa Gift Card on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to use a Debit Visa Gift Card on Roblox. It's a simple process, so follow along. A Visa Debit Gift Card works like a standard debit card. To buy Robux, visit the Roblox website and proceed to check out. Choose the debit card payment option. Go to roblox.com on your computer or phone, sign in, click on the Roblox icon, and select Buy Robux. You can choose from different Robux packages in your local currency or subscription plans for more features. If you have a Visa gift card, it's best to buy a package to avoid running out of balance. Select the amount you want, proceed to payment, enter your card details, country, and name. It's a simple process, and most standard Visa debit gift cards are accepted. If your card is not accepted, unfortunately you can't use it for this purchase. This video aims to inform you that using a Visa debit gift card on Roblox is possible, but some specific ones may not work. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.